What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. If you watched yesterday's video, you know that we got started and got to work on my Honda EK hatch. Basically, we ended off with everything being carpeted and all the padding done. We're gonna go ahead and start mounting the seats. The only problem with it is we've got the brackets in there. Don't mind all the other clutter, but the brackets are in there, but the side mount brackets for the seat and the sliders didn't come with bolts. So I gotta run to the store real quick and I gotta go pick up some bolts, and then all of this plastic that we painted can start going in once we get those all mounted up. So yeah, this has all been drying for the last day and a half. Looks very nice. We went with a nice gloss black. I think I showed you guys in yesterday's video, but it was nighttime, so it was kind of hard to see. Now you can see that really nice shine though. Yeah, it's very nice looking. So anyways, gotta run to the parts store, gotta pick up some bolts and nuts and maybe some washers, get that all hooked up, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so this is just one of the seats. It's probably gonna be the driver's seat. We've got these side mounted brackets here on the seat, and then the bracket that actually bolts to the floor goes underneath it, like this right here. But the bolts that are supposed to be included that mount the actual slider to the floor bracket did not come included. So me and Jack is over here. What's up? What's up? We have got to go to the store and we got to pick up some bolts. So that's going to be fun. We're going to bring one of these with us. I got this one unbolted already, so we're going to need 8 of them. It looks like we can actually run more if we wanted, but just 8 I think will be fine. So yeah, bolts, and then we can slap these all together and get them in the car. All right, ran over to our good friends over at Ace. He's got the bracket. We gotta find 8 bolts for it. Now I don't know if we're gonna use hex heads or what kind of heads we're gonna use on it, but we need something kind of slim because of just how shallow this inside piece is. You can see how small that is, so we need a smaller head bolt. So we have 8 nuts and bolts. I think that's gonna work fine. Don't need any washers for it. The head's fine. It's such a hot day. But we got sweet tea and Sprite. McDonald's Sprite just hits different. It's like straight TV static, man. God, it's hot though. It's like seriously 100 and some degrees. We're sweating our balls off. Right? We secured the package. Yeah. Package secured. Now we gotta get home and install it. If we don't die. All right, they're done. The bolts that we picked up fit. Plugged them in right there. But yeah, we got them all put together and ready to be put into the car. I'm gonna show you what we did. Here, help me lean this up real quick. What do you think of them? They look pretty good?
I think they went together really easy. You didn't have to drill the holes in the brackets the way that I did.
Yeah.
When I put my seats on, I have the bottom mount slide, and basically on the bracket here, this bracket had the holes already pre-drilled, so there was nothing that had to be done. But on mine, I had to actually drill all the way through, which was really hard because the steel is, you know, very
pretty
rigid.
Thick steel. But yeah, this was like simple bolt up really. So you got the side bracket that mounts to the seat, and then it comes down to a slider. It's already pre-bolted. That was already done from when we bought it. And then the sliders bolt into the actual bracket that bolts into the car right here. So there's one here, there's one there, and then there's one on that side and one on that side. And then if you want to put it back down, we went ahead and installed the slider handle. So you just pull it up and then it slides forward and back. So they're both pretty much identical when it comes to the seats, but the brackets are a little bit different. So this one right here is the driver's seat. This one is the passenger seat. You can tell because of the brackets and the way they're shaped and the way they bolt up. So this is our driver one right here. We're gonna go out there and get our original bolts that mounted the stock seats and then use that, since they're a really nice thick bolt, to mount the brackets to the car. We've got both of the seats in the car and just mocked up. Haven't tightened anything down yet. As you can see, they are in and looking nice. But yeah, we gotta just get the 4 bolts and bolt them up. And that should do it for the seats, and then we can start actually doing the plastic inside. But we have got some delicious food inside that we are gonna go eat. So we will come back to this, plus it'll be a little bit cooler out here. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab dinner, and then we're coming back out here to bolt up the seats, make sure everything works, and then plastic. Alright, all finished with dinner, and we decided that we were gonna test fit the seats. Had to drill one of the brackets just a little bit, but they are both in and bolted completely up, and we tightened everything down. So the brides are officially installed. We got this one over here done as well. There we go. Looking good, looking good. The only thing left now is the plastic, which we are gonna pop in, straighten some of this carpet, and trim the rest of it that we don't need. And yeah, plastic time. I just can't get over how good that looks though. Man, those look awesome. We got the whole front end put totally back together. So seats are bolted up. Some of the carpet still needs to be trimmed, so don't mind that. But we've got all of the plastic in on the interior, as you can see. All of that is in. It's a little wet. That's what that blotchy look is. But yeah, so that's all done. Don't mind the steering wheel and quick release. This is all getting changed as well. Like I said, we still got to do a little bit of trimming because you can still see a little bit of the red, but like the carpet hasn't completely gone back together. But remember, we still have to do this entire back and build it up. So we're gonna patch all that carpet in, and like right here, it still needs to be trimmed. Still got to put the plastic though in on the side. But yeah, for the night, I think that does it. Everything's starting to look really nice and come together. Here's from the passenger side. Looks really nice. Up here, we got to still do a carbon fiber dash, but there's little things here and there that we still have to fix, but for the most part, it's starting to look like a car again. All right, so the only thing that I see that we probably need to do next is the trim right here on this door sill needs to be done. The trim right there needs to be done. And then there's like some plastic panels that go in the footwell. Neither one of those are done, so like the ECU right there is exposed. So we're gonna do that, but I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little bit of lightning in the sky. So we're gonna wrap everything up, get all the electricity and all these cables out of here. And I think that is it for tonight. All right, guys, so that is gonna wrap it up for today. I think we got a lot done. Finally got those seats mounted. Ran into a little bit of an issue with those brackets, but huge shout out to my friend Logan. He came through with this step drill bit that we were able to drill them out, hollow them out, and get them to mount. So they hooked up really nicely. All the plastic went right in flawlessly. It wasn't any issues with that. It's just the seats kind of held us up for a minute. But yeah, we're gonna start getting the rest of the plastic in on tomorrow's vlog. And once we get that done, we can start building the false floor in the back, start building the box for the subwoofers, and just tons of other stuff. Still gotta do the headliner and all the plastic that goes around the headliner. Gotta do the custom steering wheel setup. Got to do lots. There's a lot on the list. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Hope you guys like this new little thing we're doing with just keeping you up to speed on building the Honda, because it's been sitting back here for a while. You know, I got it painted, and then once I got the vert, it kind of was like, well, you know, gotta finish the vert, so I kind of threw this on the back burner. So I want to get this done while my LS is in the shop getting built. So it's just a fun little side project. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video.